Hello guys, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. In this video we'll learn easy 10 lines about Kannada Rajyotsava. Kannada Rajyotsava. Right? If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First point. Kannada Rajyotsava is celebrated on 1st November every year. Kannada Rajyotsava is celebrated on 1st November every year. Okay. It marks the formation of the state of Karnataka. It marks the formation of the state of Karnataka. Third point. The state was formed in 1956 by merging all Kannada speaking regions. Once again, the state was formed in 1956 by merging all Kannada speaking regions. Okay. Fourth point. The day is also called Karnataka Rajyotsava. The day is also called Karnataka Rajyotsava. Okay, right. Fifth point. People celebrate it with a great pride and enjoy. Once again, people celebrate it with a great pride and enjoy. Okay, sixth point. Schools and colleges organize speaks, songs and dances. Once again, schools and colleges organize speeches, songs and dances. Seventh point. The red and yellow flag of Karnataka is seen everywhere. Once again, the red and yellow flag of Karnataka is seen everywhere. Eighth point. It shows the unity and culture of Kannada people. It shows the unity and culture of Kannada people. Ninth point. We should love and respect. We should love and respect our Kannada language. Okay. 10th point. We proudly say Jai Karnataka, Jai Kannada. We proudly say Jai Karnataka, Jai Kannada. Okay, right. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye children. Meet you in another video.